It was Wipro, right? Abir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So before that, can I ask some other question?
Go ahead.
Sir, I had traded in ITC and GAIL as per my understanding.
Hmm.
So if you can just check GAIL,
Hmm.
because GAIL had a volume breakout yesterday, and I actually traded in cash as well as options. So
Hmm.
cash I got my target today itself.
Hmm.
Options I am waiting. So if
Okay.
you can just check GAIL.
Okay. Wipro and Gale, right?
No, sir, GAIL.
Wipro.
Wipro is a separate. Yeah,
Okay. Wipro,
we
Gale,
can
and
discuss later, I
ITC.
guess. So,
Okay.
GAIL,
So let's
yeah,
see Gale then. Okay. Gale.
yeah.
So okay, Gale May month significant level 45, 49, 50, 60, 66, 123, 123. So this seems to be the one. 31st. Okay. So 327, 298, 75. Okay, in the month of June, 72, 75. So it is 348.8, 320.65. Okay, so let's see. 348.8 apply and 298, 298.75 apply. Okay, so 348, this is the level, and this was anyways in May. So when July opened, it was inside, then there was a breakout. Okay, let's see. So ideally, 120.35. So this was the day when it closed outside this particular range for the first time. Okay, whether break a volume breakout or no breakout, but it closed outside this level on 10th of July. Okay, so 10th of July, this level is 350. July. Okay, so let's see, where did it close? It closed here. So this high is 365.80. So 370 is what we will start with. 370. Okay, just give me 1 second. All right, so 370 is the level, and this happened on 10th of July. तो 10th of July से ही ले लेते हैं, या 9th से ले लेते हैं, 27th. Okay, so 10th of July 165, 370 का जो level है, that is 370 level is 165. Okay, anyways, from this level only it is evident. Do you see there was no breakout? Okay, so if there was no breakout, you can see this level was never broken out, so the trade doesn't happen. Okay, now let's see. So after that the price started coming down and all that. Okay, now let's see. On the cash market data in July, June was 73 lakhs roughly. So July, this is where it broke out, correct? On 26th
Yes.
of July. Okay, so what you'll have to see basically is, Abir, when this broke out, okay, after this breakout has happened, this level is 730, 700 and, sorry, 372.25. This should close above this. Okay, so it has closed today. You can see that the last price is much higher than 372.25. $372.25. So this area. Okay. Now today it has closed outside. Okay. Still the month is running. So what we will see is that where did it go? So it is 379.8. So 380 levels. So let's start with 380 levels. And this time it will be August. So 380. Wait. So 380, if we look at it, what is the high today? The high is 1380 and it has closed above this level. Okay, so see, one, it has to break out 13.8 on Monday, this level. Okay, 13.8 should be broken. Point number one. Point number two is, if 13.8 is broken on the upside, say for example, on Monday the opening happens above 13.8. Say it opens at 14 and it swiftly runs towards 12, then the price of this call should stop at 12. That should become a support level. So that is point number two. Okay, point number three is, I will write Gale here and I'll go to options chain, because since it has happened today only, so I'll go to options chain. It will be much easier for me to spot. So we have to be on the call side. So let me see where is the biggest buildup that has happened. The biggest buildup seems to be at 400 level. Okay, so there are three levels in between: 380, 390 and 400. Okay, so this will be the level to trade, 400 level, because the highest build up, the highest liquidity is here. Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's
Sir,
look at,
Yes, but the breakout happened yesterday itself.
where did the
sir,
breakout happen?
Hello?
हेलो
हाँ जी, बोलो.
सर, मैं ये कह रहा था कि जैसे 13.80 का लेवल, ये अगर मंडे मतलब कंपलसरी नेक्स्ट डे को ब्रेक करना जरूरी थोड़ी, ये हो सकता है कि
नहीं,
फ्राइडे को ब्रेक
परसों
करे
भी
या
कर
थर्सडे
सकता है.
को.
हाँ, परसों भी
ठीक है
कर
सर.
सकता है, तरसों भी कर
तो
सकता
हमें फिर उस, तो जैसे मान लीजिए कि सर मंडे को ना करके ये अगले थर्सडे को करता है, तो फिर हम उस दिन देखेंगे कि लॉन्ग सबसे ज्यादा लिक्विडिटी किस स्ट्राइक
है. हाँ
प्राइस के ऊपर बनी है. यही
हाँ,
बात है ना
बस
सर?
आपको ध्यान ये रखना है कि अगर इस ट्रेड में एंट्री बननी है तो ये ट्यूसडे तक बन जाएगी, क्योंकि उसके बाद मंथ चेंज हो जाएगा.
ओके ओके.
लेकिन सर इसमें कल ब्रेकआउट इसमें कल हो गया था, तो हम एंट्री आज नहीं ले सकते थे कल के हाई प्राइस के ऊपर?
नहीं, कल
Yes, sir.
ये देखिए
That
यहाँ,
was my question
हाँ
because
देखो यहाँ पे
I could
ये
have entered quickly.
हाँ देखो यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट हुआ है, आप एंट्री ले सकते हो, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट वाज द हाई हियर? लेट्स सी, यस्टरडे कौन से लेवल पे सबसे ज्यादा लिक्विडिटी था? विच लेवल आर यू ट्रेडिंग?
I traded 400 only because it had liquidity and today also it had
ठीक,
the highest
so
of
you traded 400 ना, there is no problem, don't worry. See,
yeah, so it had a high of 560 which was broken today. So I entered there.
see, it is 580, no, over here high.
Yeah,
Okay.
580 was broken. I entered.
Right. So 580 was broken, you have entered. Okay, you are already sitting at last trading price of 625, so which is lot higher than this. Okay, so that is fine, there is no problem, because even if tomorrow, okay, tomorrow means on Monday, right? I'll tell you the reason why I'm saying I would have let today's trading day happen, because see, it's a volume breakout. Okay, when the volume breakout happens, I do not know actually that the price will close above this. I actually don't know. Though there were indications. If I look at this, there was a BTST which has happened. See? Indications थे
Volume,
कल.
delivery volume, both broke out.
हाँ. So indications तो कल ही थे. यहाँ पे देखो ये BTST हुआ पड़ा था इसमें कि ये मोस्ट लाइकली तो ऊपर ब्रेक करेगा ही, पर फिर भी आई एम जस्ट सेइंग हो सकता है कि ब्रेक ना करे. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये हो भी तो अपने इस लेवल के ऊपर रहा है. ठीक है, तो कोई इशू नहीं है. द वे यू हैव एंटर्ड डजंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके, नाउ सिर्फ मंडे को एक चीज ध्यान रखना मॉर्निंग में. ठीक है, मॉर्निंग में होना क्या चाहिए कि ये जो 400 वाला लेवल है ना, और ये जो 645 आप देख रहे हो, ओके, एंड दिस इज 4501, दिस 450 शुड नॉट बी कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड. ठीक है, एनीवेज 580 लेवल मींस योर स्टॉप लॉस इज रफली 3 rupees, roughly. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
it should not break 450. That is point number one. You just have to keep in mind. Second is, if the market or if Gale has to be really fast, no, then this 400 call will open above 6.45. Okay, if the call value opens above 6.45, then don't worry, it is going to your 12 rupee, right? 12 rupee is your target, correct? So it is going to 12 rupee, because see, there is build up. It is not that it's a minus number here. There is build up which has happened, so I'm expecting it should go up. Trade
और
is
अगर
correct.
सर
हाँ, trade is correct.
6.45.
हाँ,
हेलो.
कही.
तो सर अगर ये 6.45 के ऊपर मान लीजिए मंडे को ओपन नहीं होता है तो फिर ये 4.50 का लो कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होना चाहिए, इतना ही है ना?
हाँ हाँ, ये कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होना चाहिए। देखो, ये ओपन हो सकता है नीचे, मतलब ऐसा कुछ,
जी
मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि 6.45 के ऊपर ही खुलेगा, ठीक है। पर अगर आप वैसे देखो तो अगर ये 6.45 के नीचे खुलता है तो इसको 6.45 को ब्रेक करना चाहिए। अगर दिन के अंत तक जाते जाते आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं ये तो 6.45 के नीचे मतलब ऊपर जा ही नहीं रहा, पर अगर वो 4.5 को मेंटेन कर रहा है तो फिर कोई इशू नहीं है। इसका मतलब है कि वो इनसाइड कैंडल बना रहा है, मतलब एक जबरदस्त ब्रेकआउट होगा शायद उसके अगले दिन ट्यूसडे को ऊपर की तरफ,
ओके ओके।
ठीक है। पर अगर ये लोअर लो लोअर हाई लोअर लो बना देता है ना, फिर थोड़ा सा
जी
मतलब कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाती है सिचुएशन की, मतलब शायद ये अभी थोड़ा सा रीसेट होगा, रीसेट होकर के ऊपर जाएगा, उसके बाद ऊपर जाएगा,
ओके सर।
ठीक है। पर इसके हालात देख करके मुझे लग नहीं रहा है कि इसको मतलब एकदम से नीचे आना चाहिए, बिकॉज पॉइंट नंबर वन इज यू हैव बॉट द लोज, ठीक है। आइडियली अगर देखा जाए तो यू हैव बॉट द लोज। दूसरा है कि आज ये ऊपर क्लोजिंग किया है, सी इट हैज क्लोज्ड above the high. Okay, this was the breakout day, right? See, this is the breakout day, and the very next day it has actually pushed out all the shots from this area. So whosoever had sold here and was sitting short, okay, on Thursday, they have been all kicked out. Okay, so it is fine, there's no problem. Okay, technically your trade is correct.
But sir, in
Sir,
case it's
similarly,
breaking 4.5,
हाँ बोलो अभी।
in case it's breaking 4.5 on Monday, so should I exit or should I have my stop losses?
No, but maintain your stop loss.
Okay.
Maintain your stop loss, but if it is going below 4.5, no, and if it is not closing, then exit out. Okay, then it doesn't, maybe it doesn't make any sense. Take that 1 rupee loss and just exit out of it. If you see that, okay, if it hits 4.8, but it closes above that, it doesn't break it, it is closing above that, then it's fine. Hold on for one more day.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but most likely looking at the pattern, it seems that it should break out. And you never know if on Monday it gaps up like ITC did today. You never know.
Yes. ITC also I traded, so yeah, I got my 100%.
You got your 100%, no? So yeah.
Yes.
sir, for ITC, so when should we have taken the entry, right?
Yesterday.
Because the price level was for 550 yesterday, so that we wait for the closing of the price, right? So that
5 rupee 15 paisa was the breakout
was the
level.
indication. Yes.
Okay, and what was the level to trade? The level to trade was ITC was 300. Call of 300. Okay, 300 was the level which had the maximum build up, right? Now this
Yes.
day it happened.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So 30th of August, yeah. So this day it happened, correct? This was the day. Sorry, this was the day when it happened, 5:15. Okay. See, the next day it didn't break out.
Yes.
See, the high is not broken out and it's an inside candle. See,
Yes.
the high is lower, but the low is also higher.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And there is a build up also. The next day, you see it broke out this level.
Right.
Okay. So when it broke out this level, it also broke out 5:15. If you see, it opened here.
Yes.
and it
Yes.
also broke this 515 level. Okay.
Yes.
Now, yesterday, do you see it? The open price is above 515.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So somewhere in between 515 and 480 is the buying price.
Okay.
All right. Because see, there was a break in between. This is an inside candle.
Right.
Okay. So in
Right.
between 515 and 480 could be a buying place. If even if you buy 515, it is not wrong. Okay. Because see, on this day, it is opening above this level. So it is indicating the bullishness. Okay. And it also closed above. So never mind. Like even if it doesn't close, it's okay. And today, see, the opening was almost at your level of 10 rupee 30 paisa or so.
So we need to wait, right? Like I shouldn't have taken entry on 25th, right? Because it crossed 515 on that day, made a high of 525. So I shouldn't place an order before to, in
No, because
advance, right?
see,
Something like that.
here there was a break. I would make,
Okay.
I will make an entry in 515 on this day.
Okay. Okay. So because of break, we didn't do.
Uh-huh. But see, look at the behavior. If this day it would have broken 2.70, no,
Yeah. Then invalid.
it is invalid. See,
Yeah.
2.70, if it breaks, then it is making a lower low, lower high.
Right.
So it
Right.
doesn't make any sense for me. But it made an inside candle, and inside candle
Hmm.
means low volatile. Low volatile means there is it वो tsunami से पहले का सन्नाटा है.
ठीक है.
It is going to either break out on the upside or it is going to break out on the downside. This day it was clear that it is going up. See, even the last
Right.
traded price is 4.9, which was above this level.
Right. So makes sense. Yeah.
Okay, next day, see, 5:30 it is opening.
Hmm.
It is opening at 5:30. Take a position at 5:15. Okay, your stop loss is somewhere closer to this low. Okay, and from 5:15, just wait for the target, though the target happened immediately. Okay, and
Right.
on the chart also, I will show you since we are discussing ITC. This was the breakout day, na? 23 July, correct? 23rd of July, the breakout happened, right? Or 19th of July, the breakout happened.
23rd.
23rd, the breakout happened. Right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
now, let's see. Okay, so this is the breakout day. This is the high, right? This place is the high. See, this day it tried going to this level on 24th, couldn't cross through. Whereas on 26th, do you see that it is also closing up, right?
Yes.
Because see, this was also the significant level. Okay. See, look at this. All right. Now, this is the day it is opening up, correct? So you can make a position here. There's no problem.
Okay. Sir.
ठीक है. Actually, आपको करना क्या होता है कि whenever एक डिलीवरी ब्रेकआउट होता है ना, ठीक है, and I'll tell you the reason why I'm saying this, because see, when this happened there was also a gap. ठीक है, ये छोटी छोटी टेक्निकल चीजें हैं, you should keep in mind. See, there was a gap, right? What do we know about gaps? That gaps generally get filled. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So इसके अगले दिन पे it was expected कि the price will come down. See, people shorted here. Do you see this? People shorted, and you know the shorts were getting built, and people were expecting कि okay यार it will come down. It will go towards this area. Okay, because of this gap situation I'm talking about. Okay, now since there was a gap over here, okay, it didn't fill the gap. Next day also, see, it's not filling the gap. This day, is it opening above this highest point? So it is extremely bullish, correct? It is extremely bullish. See, so you made the position here, and then maybe, okay, we were fortunate it happened on a single day, but maybe 2-3 days it should give us at the target. Okay, more or less in Gale also you see the similar thing happening. Okay, there is no gap, so that is why I said that okay, there is no problem if you have built the position today, because it's in continuation breakout. But if there was a gap, I would have rather wanted to wait for a day and see it's not going towards the gap, because with high volatile stocks we have seen that not 100% of them will continue. No, some of them will retrace. It could have retraced, come to this 20th, come to this level, this area, and then reverts back. Okay, somewhere in between this zone, it might come to this zone and then move upside. Right? This is what we have traditionally seen. ठीक है, clear है? And in ITC, the level was, I guess, 200. How much was it? 80. 88, I guess. 88, 89 levels. The upper zone is at 208, almost at 289 kind of a level. You see, today it closed outside for the first time. Okay. Now, if it breaks out, now say if I open ITC and check that where is the biggest buildup is happening.